Are you tired of disturbing others while enjoying your favorite TV shows or movies? Do you wish you could listen at your preferred volume level without compromising on audio quality? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Sendx Audio HD Wireless Audio Transmitter or Receiver. The Sendx Audio HD Wireless Audio Transmitter Receiver is designed to revolutionize your TV watching experience. With its proprietary wireless audio standard called SKAA, this device ensures high-quality audio transmission without the need for Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. SKAA, a cutting-edge wireless audio standard, guarantees low-latency HD audio. Using walking frequency diversity, a narrow-band channel hopping strategy, Sendx avoids interference with other 2.4 GHz devices. This means crystal-clear audio directly from the transmitter to the Sendx fobs, which can be plugged into your favorite headphones, earbuds, or powered speakers. Whether you want to binge-watch your favorite series late at night, enjoy an action-packed movie at maximum volume, or listen to a stand-up comedian's colorful jokes without worrying about the kids, Sendx has got you covered. You can listen to your TV without disturbing neighbors, children, or even your partner. But it doesn't stop there. Sendx is perfect for everyone, including those who are hearing impaired. No more struggling with multiple volume preferences in a room. With Sendx, each family member can enjoy movie night at their preferred volume level, ensuring a truly inclusive experience. Now, here's the best part. You can use Sendx with your favorite pair of headphones, earbuds, or powered speakers. Why spend money on another wireless TV headphone set that compromises on audio quality? Instead, simply plug the Sendx fobs into your existing audio devices and immerse yourself in the audio experience you love. To ensure compatibility with your audio source, we offer two versions of Sendx. Select the digital version if your audio source is digital Toslink, which is commonly found on modern TV. And if your audio source is SKAA for older TV or 3.5-inch jack, go for the analog version. We've got you covered no matter what. Upgrade your TV watching experience with the Sendx Audio HD Wireless Audio Transmitter or Receiver. Enjoy high-definition audio, personalize your volume levels, and use your favorite headphones or powered speakers. Say goodbye to disturbances and hello to a whole new level of entertainment. Get your Sendx now and bring harmony to your living room. Don't miss out on this incredible wireless audio solution. Click the link in the description below to get your Sendx today and start enjoying TV without disturbing others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting product reviews and innovative solutions. Thanks for watching.